Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to pixelate in Krita. To start, open your image in Krita and make sure the layer you want to pixelate is selected in the layer stacker. If you want to keep the original intact, duplicate the layer first. Next, go to the top menu and click Filters, Artistic, then Pixelize. This opens the Pixelize filter dialog. In the Pixelize dialog, you'll see controls for the cell size. Increasing this value makes larger pixel blocks, creating a stronger pixelated look. Decreasing it makes smaller blocky detail. Watch the live preview as you adjust it so you get the level of pixelation you want. When you're happy with the preview, click OK. Krita applies the effect directly to your selected layer. If it looks too heavy or too light, you can immediately undo by pressing Ctrl or Command Z and try a different setting. And that's how you pixelate in Krita. Thanks for watching.